quick, look. Say girl you fine, I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time, hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside, got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs, look at that waist, look at them hips, look at that face.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada Alexis. If you are new, you might as well hit that subscribe button. If not, welcome back, returning subscribers. So today, I just wanted to get on here real quick and show y'all what I just bought myself as my early Christmas present to myself. I look a mess right now. Let's disregard how I look. I got no brows, no lashes on, no makeup, no nothing. But we're not here to talk about my looks. So first things first, I haven't been consistent on YouTube like that, and that's only because I film on my phone, and it gets annoying sometimes when you film on your phone and you don't have enough space, you don't have enough storage, or it's just like the videos that you do record is taking up so much space on your phone. I have an iPhone 11, 64 gig, the purple lilac color, whatever, you know, y'all know what it looked like. And I could record a few videos, but after a while it tells me I don't have any more space. And then I also buy space from Apple, still not enough. So I just got tired of trying to record videos and then not being able to put them up because I don't have space. So I was actually looking for a while, looking at cameras, trying to see which one was the best one for me. I originally wanted the Canon Powershot 740 HS, but budget wise, I wasn't ready to drop $400 on a camera, especially when I'm kind of just starting out on YouTube. I didn't want to spend too much money. Now, this camera that I got today wasn't cheap either, but it definitely wasn't $400. So, so yeah, I was doing my research on different cameras, and I really like Canon cameras specifically. Now, there's other brands like Nikon, Sony, Panasonic, the list goes on, but I really wanted a Canon camera as my first camera. So I started looking into the Canon Powershot cameras. Now, these cameras is nice. They just a pretty penny. I was actually looking at the SX620 and I liked it, but I didn't know if it was gonna have all the features that I needed. Not until I went into the store and actually picked it up and held it and, you know, looked at it. And I was like, oh, this is a nice camera. It's lightweight, everything. Then I went to the 740, the one that I really, really wanted. And it was very nice. It was super nice. It had a flip screen. It was just beautiful. But I'm like, I don't want to spend $400. So maybe that'll be my upgrade, but I didn't get it this time. So instead, I got the Canon Powershot SX620 HS. That's a mouthful. So here's my thumbnail. I don't got no makeup on. Oh my god, y'all. This is gonna be an ugly thumbnail. But yeah, so I had got the Canon Powershot SX620 HS. And I also had bought a SD card so I could start filming. This is a 64 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra Plus SD card. I did curbside pickup, if y'all can't tell. Yeah, so I just picked it up from Best Buy. Literally, I just went to Best Buy and picked up. They ain't give me no bag. I'm like, okay. After all this money I spent, I need a bag, sis. So we are about to open this bad boy right now. I'm so hyped. Like, I can't wait. All right, so I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of these videos already. I'm not going to go into detail too much, but of course, you know, they give you the warranty, register your product, whatever, the little pamphlet, get started, blah, 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 blah. And then, of course, it comes with the charging kit. Y'all see it. Y'all know what it looks like already. A little charger like this. I'm actually keep it out. I gotta charge the camera. And then it comes with a little camera cord like this. And the battery right here. And yeah, that's about it. And then of course, the beautiful baby herself. This is my new baby. I don't know what I'm gonna name her yet, but this is my new baby. Let me see, will it turn on? No, because I don't got the battery in. Duh. Oh, she's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. That doesn't have a flip screen at all, but it's so nice. I'm gonna have to charge it up and play with it to see how it works. But it has a 25 optical zoom, so it definitely zooms in. It's lightweight, very light. Yeah, that's about it, y'all. Look at it. I finally got it, y'all. I was looking at this camera for months. Like, no lie. I was looking at cameras for a good maybe 2 months now. So finally did it. Finally got it. I'm excited. Definitely about to have some content rolling out for you guys. I'm not gonna be as inconsistent. I got a camera now so I can record now without having to worry about using my phone. I'm so excited. That was about it. That's all I wanted to get on here and show y'all. I got my camera. Get ready for some videos. It's about to be on and popping. And before I go, also, this camera was around, I'm gonna say 250 or 260, somewhere around that. And then I found the SD card. It originally was like 30 bucks, but I found it for $8.99. It was on bestbuy.com. I think it's just like their little Black Friday holiday sale, but I was like, shit. The SD card was normally like $25 and I got it for $8.99, so that's a steal. And then this camera, of course, it wasn't cheap, but it was the more affordable option for me. So I was like, I'm gonna just get it. But if you guys have any questions down below, leave me questions. Wait, I just said if you guys have any questions down below. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'll answer them as quick as I can. I'm excited. I finally got a camera, y'all. I can't wait. But yes, so hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, anything at this point. But yeah, y'all, so I'm about to head out. I'm gonna end this video right here. Again, any questions, leave them down below. I can't wait for y'all to see my content coming up now that I have my camera. So yeah, all right, y'all, stay safe. I'm out.